Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, today is till December 9th, and welcome to my webinar. And this is TNT Sunrise. I'm top author from TradingView, and also I'm a Forex and currency trader and coach, right? So basically, I'm holding this webinar so that you can have a lot of insights of this market, right? So gold already rallied a lot since our last week's trade, right? So if you do join this trade in this neckline break, okay, I think last week we are here, right? It's a neckline breakup and retest from 1815, and I'm going to buy, and this really gives a lot of money, and we do enjoy this rally for the last week, the whole week, right? And now the gold, let's put on the 8 EMA, okay? So the 8 EMA and the 89 EMA will be my very good strategy, okay? This 2 EMAs can tell me that now the price is trying to have some consolidation or correction, okay? This is called correction. And the correction, after the correction end, probably a next wave is coming, okay? So now I'm going to give you guys this hint. Is as long as the gold is above 1847, okay, we are bullish, right? We are bullish. Agree? Do you agree? As long as the gold is above 1848, we are bullish because the 89 EMA is right here with the structure that has broken just now. And if the price come back to this area, we are definitely going to buy it. Okay, there's no way to, there's nothing can stop us to buy the gold when the price hit back 1847. Okay, so reply me 5 if you understand this conclusion. Okay, if gold stand above 1847, okay, and pull back, okay, we want to buy gold. Okay, so this is a very, very good signal because the 8 EMA already golden cross 89 EMA, and now the price has make a very strong move, and its correction is coming, okay, and we can assume the price come back to this area, we are going to have a very good strike, okay? Just like golf balls, you're going to strike the ball all the way up to 1890. Okay, the next target will be 1890 or 1900, right? So this is my view, okay? Because 1900 have strong resistance, okay? It's formed in the November 16th. This could be the strong resistance area. So our next bullish move will be about that place, 1890 to 1900. Okay. All right. Okay. So today, let me show you the 1 hour chart. Okay. The 1 hour chart, you can see the price, the 89 EMA already touched the 1851. And then the price formed this inside bar breaks up, and now it formed a hammer. Okay, so this hammer is showing me this place is a very good support. And let's go to 15-minute charts. Okay, so for intraday trader or for short-term trader, you can actually assume this rally is first wave. Okay, and there will be a retracement measuring from 618 here, and we can find that 1856.39 has become very good support. All right, so this is a very good sign because a wave up plus a 618 retracement and has a pin bar at a 618. What do you think? Do you think the price will have another rally back from here? Do you agree? We observe this whole rally from 1851 to 1864, which already rallied 130 pips, and the price come back, testing the 618 level, forms a pin bar in the last 15 minutes charts, and now it's a second test. Okay, so if the price can support from here, can we buy? Yeah, we can. So we can buy from 1856 and put your stop loss below 1851. So the risk amount is only about $5. Okay, so which is 50 pips. And you are aiming the previous high and even an ABCD higher or even to the previous 618 level, which we draw from 175 to 151. So the 618 is at a 1866. Okay, so probably you're going to earn this money here. All right, so this is a trade for tonight. Okay, but don't forget there's a even better place to long go, which is 1847 or 48. Okay, so this is a short-term trade that you can buy now, aim 1866, and then you can actually take some profit, move stops to break even so that you can have a risk-free trade. And then you go to 4-hour chart. Okay, you wait for this 1847 level. Okay, you can put a buy limit here. Okay, in the your stop loss should be set below 1838. Okay, in this case, I will be very happy to see the price come back to this area and make us another rally. Okay, yeah, because from the elite wave, you can think this is actually a beginning of the third wave. Okay, the first wave, second wave, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another rally coming, maybe back to 1950. Who knows? Okay, so definitely this area is going to be our potential zone. Okay, to do this. Okay, to do this. All right, so let's move on to euro dollar. The euro really rallied well because I think in last week I said this is a long-term wedge broken, and I want you guys to buy. And from 1.17 to 1.21 is a 400 pips gain. Okay, that is very cool. And now we should focus on the flag patterns here. Okay, a bullish move forms by the flag, and another move is coming. Okay, so in forward chart, we should focus on buying the low of the euro. I think the best place is 1.2050, this area. Okay, so you can wait for the price to come back to this area and buy the euro. Okay, use this zone to buy the euro because it is also the 38.2% or 50% retracement. Okay, because in the very strong uptrend, normally the price won't really touch the 618. Okay, it will come back to 38.2 or 50. Okay, yeah, wait for the price to come back here and buy the euro from 1 point. But do remember tomorrow have the ECB news. Okay, so the ECB news may give you this chance to shut down the price back to 1.2050 and then make the rally. So focus on the price action after the ECB news, which is at 20.45 Asia time, okay, GMT +8. So this is the timing for the ECB news, okay? Wait for the price, come back to this zone and find your opportunity to buy. Okay, that will be a good choice, right? Okay, so move on to sterling. Okay, sterling has a very big fall because the UK's Prime Minister Johnson said it may actually have a hard Brexit. Okay, again, this issue comes. Okay, but then it actually turns on this is fake news, or the news is not so bad, and it comes back to this inside bar breaks up and followed by this move, this double bottoms move. Okay, so sterling already formed a double bottom. And now the neckline is at the right here at 1.34. Okay, so I want you guys to buy sterling at 1.34 level and ready for the next move. Your stop loss could be put just below 1.3040, okay, below the 89 EMA, which can give you a very good safe zone here. Okay, and then you just wait for the price to come back to the neckline to buy the sterling. Okay, I think sterling will eventually will go back to 1.4. So this is my long-term target on sterling. Okay, yeah, this 1.34 level once was broken. Okay, and shoots back, retest, failed to break through, and so today just a break up. Okay, so I will be very interested to buy the sterling at 1.34 level. Okay, my stop loss will be about 1.3334. Okay, and that will be enough for me. Okay, I will try to capture the sterling's move. Okay, I think the BRICS issue may not affect the sterling anymore because if you measure the whole in this whole fall measure the pips, it already drops from 1.35 to 1.32, which is 300 pips. Okay, I think the sellers already lose up the energy here. Okay, because this kind of fall already scared a lot of people to to sell the sterling. Okay, so the institutional players can buy more cheap sterling at here, and now they're going to attack. The buyers are going to attack to testing the previous high. Okay, that is highly possible. What will happen? So this 1.34 pullback could be our good place to capture the next wave. Okay, for the Aussie dollar is so strong, it breaks all-time high 1.0.7450. So last week, I think our Aussies buy is still very, very good. I want you guys to keep buying the Aussie, and it keeps going up. So it's a very beautiful bullish trend. I think you can still hold the Aussie's position. Okay, remember in this year, I've keep saying we want to buy the Aussie, buy the Aussie, buy the Aussie, buy the Aussie, right? Even at here, the structure was broken at 0.70. I said mentioned a lot of time, want to buy the Aussie. So these are all the Aussies good place to buy, and now the price fly. Okay, if you don't have any Aussie position right now, you should actually think back that why you missed the trade, why you don't follow the plan. Okay, because this is a very critical rule for the traders. You should follow your plan. Okay, because it will actually help you to win more money or lose more money. Okay, there's no reason or no excuse for you to be out of the trade just because you feels, oh yeah, I don't want to go into trade, the price is already shoots up, I don't want to buy now, I want to wait for the pullback, right? But what happens if there's no pullback? You should wait for the structure break and retest, right? You should use the inside bar breakup. A lot of things you can do, okay, so that you don't miss the trade. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. Right, so Aussie, I think the weekly chart, if you're going back to 0.78, about this level, yeah, this is so strong. Maybe at the time here, Aussie may face some resistance and come back again. Okay, but during this time, because today the CNY, the Chinese yuan, also break new low. Okay, so this tells you that all the Asian currency will be strong against the dollar. Okay, and that's why the Kiwi also have a very nice rally. Okay, Kiwi is going to test to 0.7180. Okay, still have some room. So in 4-hour chart, you can see you can buy from 0.7050. I think this zone will be good for you guys to buy the Kiwi. And by the way, Aussie dollar today have a lot of inside bar if you go back to 1-hour chart. Okay, for example, inside bar here, okay, right, and inside bar here. There's so many opportunities for you to buy the inside bar, right? And you should actually check yourself. Did you really care the inside bar? Did you really trade it? If you trade, all this inside bar can give you like 5-to-1 or 6-to-1 reward and risk ratio. And very good thing is after 1-to-1, you can actually release half and let the other half free run to give you very, very good returns. Am I right? Okay, so take some time, okay, for you to catch those patterns. Okay, once you understand which trend are you in, okay, which direction are you in, you should actually go back to this details to find more detail, more patterns for you to catch the wave. Okay, and then you can actually win a good strike. All right, that's very important. For dollar Canadian, we mentioned that the 1.29 was broken, and from the other past few months, I'm keep saying we want to sell the dollar Canadian, right? Structural pullback and sell. Okay, now the Canadian dollar already broken new low, and from this week's candle, it's still very, very bearish. Daily chart looks like it's going to make some support, but this is just a bearish consolidation patterns. Okay, so I think the dollar Canadian is still going to the south. Okay, still going to the south. So still can short the dollar Canadian. Okay, sell the high, sell the high. Okay, now the structure is at 1.2820. Okay, so use this zone to sell the dollar Canadian. You can actually easily win to 1.24. Okay, so remember 1.24 to 1.22 will be the target for the dollar Canadian. Now we are still at 1.28. So there are about 400 to 600 pips for you to capture. Okay, so just sell the high, sell the high, sell the breakout, sell the inside the bar breakdown, sell the flag, sell the whatever, okay, channel broken, whatever patterns you can see, right? Use that, sell the high, sell the high, sell the high, keep selling. You can win money. Take some profit when it hits the support, just take some profit. And when it pulls back, you just add on, okay? Just keep rolling, okay? Rolling. And then you can have a lot of free sell positions at the high. And once it breaks down like a crash, okay, you can easily win a lot of money instantly. All right. Are we good? Okay. So go back to the oil. Okay, oil makes a very strong rally after the OPEC news. So unfortunately, we have a stop around here. Okay, because last time I asked you guys to sell the 618 pullback from here. Okay, and it will stop out. Okay, and luckily we stopped out because now it price rally back another 200 pips, right? So this is important for you to understand the trading's rule. Once the price goes against your favor, okay, you should clearly know where it's going to cut all your loss. Okay, don't wait for your loss to become very, very big, damage your account. Okay, and now the 4-hour chart, the oil found some base from here, the 45.65. So you can consider to buy the pullback from here and aim 46.50. That would be a quick trade for the oil. And for long-term wise, I want to place a buy limit order at a 47.72 here. I want to use this zone for me to buy the oil, and maybe it can help me to shoot up to 50 or 49 level. Okay, because weekly chart, the oil still have some room to go up. Okay, look at this pin at 48.85, this structure at 49.56. Okay, so I think the oil is still going to make some room, and the weekly chart is still bullish. Strong Marabou's bar, right? Weekly breakout of the inside bar, and followed by a Marabou's bar, and follow a pin bar. And now the weekly bar shows the inside bar here, right? So maybe the oil, we're going to have a direction chosen in the next week. Okay, maybe we fly to 49 or 50. So just buy the low when the trend is still going up, right? Okay, for the S&P keeps going high, so nothing can stop the S&P because the USA print a lot of money and the money inject to the stocks market. So the S&P still rally. Okay, so don't sell the S&P anymore, but I don't want also to buy the things, okay, because I will be very worried for a crash to happen for the S&P, just like before, like this time, okay? Maybe something like this will happen anytime, okay? When the institutional players are going to sell off this thing, okay? Because price already rallied to the extreme place and it's squeezing. This is squeezing, okay? It's a wedge, right? So when the wedge was broken, it made just a free fall, okay? So S&P, don't buy the high, okay? Sell the high, sell the breakout, okay? When there's no breakout, okay, we just wait. We just observe the market first, okay? For example, today there's nothing happens to for the bearish patterns, nothing, okay? The price is still rally, still up this 3,700 level, okay? So once the price broken the 3,700, I'm going to short it, okay? I'm going to sell the S&P when it breaks 3,700 because that is actually represents the top, the neckline is here. Okay, 3,700 will be a critical price for the S&P. And for Nasdaq already shows some, patterns here. Okay, Nasdaq just breaks this camera. So you may consider sell Nasdaq right now. Stop just below this 12635. Okay, because this represents a sell. Okay, maybe back to 12571. I aim here. Okay, because this is empty in these green candles. This is all chasing the people are chasing the price. Okay, so remember when the price shoots up, okay, but it's not a Marubozu buy, it's a 3 candles that are chasing the price. So when the price really turns down, it will actually just go back to the space to the base here. So you can sell Nasdaq now. Stop loss below, stop loss above 12600, and aim 12638, aim 12500. Okay, about $100 down wave for the Nasdaq. Tesla makes new high. Yeah, it's harder to chase in. Okay, just wait for the gap. It's really strong company, right? 608, maybe good time to buy Tesla. 608, and for the XPEV, it's okay to buy from 40. Okay, because 618 is a 39.91. I'll be looking at this place for many times. Okay, because last time in the rally, the triple the market value, right, from 20 to 75. This is a very good trade. A lot of money we earned. Okay, and now the price come back. I want you guys to focus on 39.91, so you can buy some XPV stock from 40, and that would be a good potential trade. Okay, same for the NIO. NIO also have a very strong rally, but I will wait for the price back to 35. Okay, 35 I want to buy. Now it's a little bit high. Okay. Okay, for the Xiaomi, let's just check the Xiaomi's performance. Okay, Xiaomi still rally, still very strong. Okay, after this flag, this correction, I said it's a one wave up, 618 pullback. We mentioned buying opportunities here, and then the prices all the way goes up, right? Okay, so the Xiaomi I think still can go new high. Okay, this is a very strong company. It already makes all-time high. I think Xiaomi is going to maybe go 30 or 35. Yeah. Okay, let's update some crypto markets. Okay, the cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin shoots up to 19,749, but it fails to break 20,000. Well, I will be suspicious for this Bitcoin, because I think this horizontal zone is not good for the buyers, because people are exchange, but then the buyers is disappearing. Okay, the 1A900 becomes resistance, so we can try to sell the pullback from here and aim 17,000. Yeah, aim here will be a good choice for us to sell the Bitcoin for this top neckline broken, structure broken, pullback 1A800, sell Bitcoin, aim 17,000. Yep, daily chart. Okay, 4-hour chart is pulling back, right? It's pull back here, so it's coming. Okay, wait for the price to come back to here to sell. Use this zone to sell. Okay, because there are too many people are trapped from here and accelerated the downfall. Pullback, you should sell. Okay, right? Any questions? No questions. We'll just move on. Okay, for the Ethereum, it's a little bit different. Ethereum has support from 547, right? Some support from here. Okay, and I think the Ethereum is okay to buy the pullback back about 550 to buy here. The price just completed this ABCD patterns. Okay. Yeah, the ABCD patterns just tells me, yeah, it will reverse from here. Okay, so the ABCD pattern plus this engulfing candle and pulls back to 555, we want to buy. Okay, so use this zone for you to buy. All right. Okay, so I think that's all for today. We basically covered a lot of markets. For the gold, for the Ethereum, for the Bitcoin, Euro dollar, Sterling dollar, Aussie dollar. Okay, the dollar is still weak, by the way. So still find all the patterns that you can see to long the major pairs. Okay, yeah. Ethereum good to buy from here. Oil still strong, aim 49 or 50. Yeah, and B noted that tomorrow have the ECB news. So yeah, they want to wait for the pullback of the euro to buy. Okay, that could be a good choice. All right. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks. We're going to end the session, and I'm going to put the video recording to the YouTube so that you guys can view the recordings. All right. So last but not least, okay, you can take my course, sign up the harmonicasia.com, sign up the Pro Trader course, so that you can receive all the techniques, all the patterns that I'm using. Okay, the harmonic patterns, the structure patterns, the Fibonacci, okay, the pin bar strategy, the RSI strategy, a lot of things. Okay, I can tell you to encounter these markets to find good quality trade. Okay. All right. So see you next time. Very, very good plan in this week. Bye bye.